where the digital currents flow endlessly, a story unfolds, a tale of hacking prowess and technological mastery. Welcome to the world of Wi-Fi hacking, where our Rafale W3B craft stands as our guide through the labyrinth of code and connectivity. Our journey commences with the gathering of tools, the TP-Link TLWN722N, a beacon of connectivity, and Wifite with Kali, the key to unlocking hidden gateways. Armed with these digital relics, we prepare to embark on a quest unlike any other. Step 1. Updating and installing the necessary tools. Through the command line, we navigate the digital landscape, issuing the commands to update and install Wifite and Aircrack NG. With each keystroke, we lay the groundwork for our impending hack, ensuring our arsenal is fully equipped for the challenges ahead. Now it's time to unleash the power of Wifite. With a simple command, we initiate the process, setting the stage for our cyber assault. As Wifite springs into action, scanning the airwaves for available networks, we're presented with a myriad of options. With careful consideration, we select our target, a lone beacon amidst the sea of signals. But our journey is far from over. With the target in our sights, we wait patiently as Wifite captures the elusive handshake, a crucial step in our quest for Wi-Fi compromise. As the seconds tick by, anticipation builds, until finally, success. The handshake is captured, and we're one step closer to our goal. But what exactly is this handshake, and why is it so important? In the world of Wi-Fi hacking, the handshake is a cryptographic exchange between a device and a router, containing vital information needed to crack the network's password. Without it, our hacking endeavors would be futile. With the handshake secured, Wifite wastes no time in initiating the cracking process. Using a combination of dictionary attacks, brute force techniques, and sophisticated algorithms, it tirelessly works to decipher the network's password. And then, in a moment of triumph, victory is ours. The password is cracked, and the Wi-Fi network compromised. But with great power comes great responsibility. As ethical hackers, it's imperative that we use our newfound access responsibly, ensuring that our actions have no malicious intent. With the Wi-Fi network compromised, we take a moment to reflect on the journey that brought us here, a journey of skill, determination, and ethical fortitude. And so, our story comes to an end, but the adventure continues. In the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity, there are always new challenges to overcome and new frontiers to explore. As we bid farewell to this chapter of our journey,